What is it?
Uncle, share with us probably what happened in court and what are the charges
Hopewell is facing a charge of contravening Section 31, Paragraph A, Roman numeral 3 of the Criminal Law Codification and Reform Act. It being alleged that he communicated falsehoods regarding a child who was allegedly assaulted by members of the Zimbabwe Republic Police, and some were saying that he died and some were saying he's still alive. So the state is saying, by publishing that on his Twitter account, he communicated falsehoods which are prejudicial to the state. Those are the charges. So today we appeared before the magistrate, Esquire Remanded, for the purposes of remand. The team, as you can see, is constituted, appeared before Magistrate Remanded for remand purposes. We are challenging placement of Hopewell on remand, and said that we could not proceed with our challenge on remand because of time. The court business ends at 3 o'clock as we are advised, and we are proceeding with that challenge on Monday at 9 o'clock.
What's the basis of your challenge?
The basis of our challenge is that they are proceeding in respect of a piece of legislation which was repealed. And for the purposes of my interview today, please, I don't want to delve much into my argument. I don't want to preempt the decision of the court. I don't want to preempt anything and say something which is prejudicial to Hopewell. I hope you perfectly understand my position.
Yeah, just wanted to understand the issue around Hopewell being arrested while he's on quarantine, and that prosecutors did not want to come out because they feared being exposed to COVID. Can you explain that?
That is twofold. The first issue was his arrest by the police. When the police visited him at his premises, I am instructed, Hopewell advised them that he had been in contact with 2 people who were since tested positive to COVID-19, and after consulting his medical doctor, he was advised that he must self-quarantine for 10 days. After self-quarantining for 10 days, that is when he was supposed to go for a proper test to either confirm or dispel all rumors that he has contracted the deadly virus, such that he will be safe to interact with other members of the public as provided for by the UN guidelines on COVID-19. Then the police ignored that and detained him at a Central Police Station. When we came to court today, that issue came to the attention of prosecutors who were scared to get into court or to get into contact or anywhere near him without putting on personal protective equipment, which the police had. So there was a delay for, I think, of plus or minus 4 or 5 hours, but later they got into court at around 3 o'clock.
How confident that Hopewell has suffered to other inmates, given the fact that you are already afraid that he might have contracted the COVID-19? I'm looking at the safety of other inmates.
In general terms,
yes.
If he has contracted COVID-19,
yes,
the other inmates are unsafe.
Yes.
But that is subject to confirmation by technically equipped people who are medical doctors.
So how is he going to stay in custody right now?
The court has directed that he must quarantine, he must have a cell of his own, he must be transported to a remand prison in his own vehicle. So I think that is, to a certain extent, enough a guideline. I mean, a guide to him infecting other, assuming he's positive, infecting other inmates.
Okay.
And I think Mr. Bama has got an issue to address, which has just arisen now.
So what we've just been advised is that one of Hopewell's lawyers, Mr. Jobs, is an instruction that he is on a similar charge. So we will be taking him now to a very central police station.
He presented himself before Harare Central Police in the morning, is it not?
He is part of Hopewell's legal team. He was there at Harare Central Police Station Law and Order section. He was also there with him in court He's been attending to him generally, attending to his legal needs, but now the police have said they want to arrest him for the same case.
When did they advise you this?
As we were leaving court, so that's where we are heading now.